Before lesson 3, I thought spiritual self was just about religion, but today, that changed. I learned it's about the part of me that asks why, the connection to something bigger than myself, the values that guide my choices, the peace I find when I am true to who I am. This week, I tried pausing for just 5 minutes each day to listen to that inner voice, and for the first time in a while, I felt grounded, like I knew where I was going, even if the path is unclear. Lesson 3 didn't give me all the answers, but it taught me how to ask the right question. It reminded me that nurturing my spiritual self isn't a task, it's a gift I give myself every day. Thank you for joining me on this journey.